If you are someone who has sensitive skin and you have been trying other like niacinamide products, but they've been giving you like breakouts and stuff like that, it doesn't mean that those products are not good. It just means that your skin is like too sensitive to handle those products. So if you pay attention to these other products that I'm going to be listing in today's video, because these serums that I'm going to be mentioning are actually some of the best niacinamide serums for people with sensitive skin. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Hey, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Hauwa and I make videos on beauty and lifestyle. And in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys, like I said, the top best niacinamide serums for people with sensitive skin. Low recipe watermelon dewdrops is one serum that comes across to me as something very appealing, but it doesn't just stop at the packaging. This serum actually does work. So if you're a kind of person that you don't want something that is heavy on your skin, you don't want something that is so strong, too extra, you don't want something that is going to leave your skin feeling oily and stuff like that, and this is the best serum for you, trust me. When I think of glow recipe watermelon niacinamide serum, there are three things that comes to my mind: clear skin, glow, and hydration. Like, these are the three basic key things that you could expect when using this serum. You're going to have clear skin, definitely, because the niacinamide in there is going to help clear your pigmentation, your dark spots. It's going to help calm your skin. If you have super duper oily skin, it's going to help you control excess sebum. And then there are other hydrating ingredients such as hyaluronic acid and stuff like that, which are just going to help you keep your skin hydrated and plump. Plus, it kind of has like a highlighter kind of finish. So this is not like a makeup highlighter sort of thing. It doesn't contain mica and all of those artificial glitters in them, but it kind of gives you like this highlighted, subtle, glowy, dewy look. And like, even when you aren't wearing makeup, this is going to make your skin look so fly. Number 2 on my list is the Olay Wrinkle Correction Serum with vitamin B3 and peptide. I know that when you hear wrinkle correction serum, like the first thing that comes to your mind is this is for old people, but no. This is actually an anti-aging serum, but it also contains niacinamide, which is like really high on the list. It also contains like 2 super duper amazing peptides, which are like work together to deliver hydration to your skin, to help you retain moisture, to repair your skin, and to prevent your skin from further damage. And I mean, that is what we want in a serum, something that is going to hydrate our skin, protect our skin, clear our skin, cure any damages that you have. I mean, what more could you want in a serum? Plus, it is quite affordable, and like, this is a serum that doesn't disappoint as well. So it has like a 2-in-1 benefit. You get the anti-aging benefits and you also get the immense benefit of niacinamide in it. Now, the third serum on my list is the Insta Natural Niacinamide Serum. Then first of all, this serum contains niacinamide, it contains rosemary extract, it contains avocado oil, it contains aloe vera, as well as hyaluronic acid. And these ingredients together, I mean, you know that you're getting something that is very, very potent and something that is going to do best for your skin. Plus, it is clearly stated that it is great for people with sensitive skin. So if you have sensitive skin, this is an amazing serum for you. I think it contains like 5% niacinamide. Now, most of the times people actually go out to buy niacinamide serums that have like 10% niacinamide. Most of the serums, like the Term 1, the Ordinary, Paula's Choice, and, popular serums like that actually contain 10% niacinamide. But with these ones, I think they contain like 5% or less. So it's very, very gentle for your skin. It's mild. You're not going to experience that irritation that comes with using niacinamide sometimes. And it's just an amazing serum that I feel like anybody can use, whether you have sensitive skin or not. This is like very, very good. Plus, it is super affordable and it lasts a very long time because it comes in a 60 ml bottle. That's like 2 fluid ounces, so it's going to last you for months before you have to repurchase another. I mean, why not? So if you're just getting started into the game of using niacinamide and you don't know where to start from, this is a good place to start from. Last but not the least is the Glossier Super Pure Niacinamide plus Zinc Serum, and this is not the first time that I'm mentioning this product on this channel, and that is because it does a really good job at delivering niacinamide to your skin while keeping your skin really supple and glowing. I'm all about the glow. Like, gone are the days when I used to think glow means shiny, glow means oily, but now any product that is going to deliver, you know, me glowing skin, or any product that is going to make my skin like really hydrated and dewy, like, I'm all about it. This is an amazing niacinamide serum. It contains 5% niacinamide as well, which is, you know, kind of like mild enough for starters. Plus the zinc in there just helps cleanse your skin and just gets rid of congested pores and stuff like that. So the combination of these two ingredients, among other ingredients, are amazing. It is also oil free, so if you aren't somebody who really likes oils in your serum, then this is a way to go. It's an amazing serum that you're never going to regret using, plus it is affordable as well. If you are using a niacinamide serum that is like very potent, if you already have one, then you don't necessarily have to like stop using that one. You could keep using that one, but like limit the way you use it. Maybe if you use it like 3-4 times a week, you might choose to like reduce it to maybe once or twice a week until you're done with that. But if you are still searching and you're thinking of a place to start from with using niacinamide, then you could actually pick and choose any of these serums that I've mentioned in this video and let me know how it turns out for you. If you're already using any of them, I want to know how it's working for you. If you like any of them, just let's get the conversation popping in the comments below, and I'll see you guys in another video. If you enjoyed this one, you know what to do. Smash the like button and give it a thumbs up, and take care of yourselves. I love you guys. Have a great life. Bye.